Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name's Bethany. Welcome. And if you're not, you're gonna like this one. Some of you may have already seen what I'm about to tell you, but Wet n Wild had a new collection. I seen it on True once, so I had to have it because it was at Target and I love Target. But they had 4 eyeshadow palettes. They are 9 pans. And one I couldn't get a hold of. It's still sold out, been checking. It's the honey one. Leave a picture right up here. So we are gonna talk about that, and we have a giveaway. So this is my Cherry Amour, the 9 pan palette. Isn't that pretty? Kind of makes you think of ColourPop. And then this one is the In Love with the Cocoa. I love that. I love that name. And this is Passion Session. This is very tropical inspired. So they are all 9 pans. And it says limited edition. They're $4.99 at Target. They also have setting spray. They had liners, lip liners, I think. I didn't get that. However, I did get 2 cherry primers because I know a lot of people like the scent of cherry. But this is the primer base. And I thought it was really funny that this, In Love with the Cocoa, looks a lot like the ColourPop Nude Mood. And I'm about to show you. So let's open this up. This is In Love with the Cocoa. And this is Nude Mood. ColourPop, Wet n Wild. Similar. We should actually do a comparison to see if this is the dupe. I mean, this is probably, I don't know, 10 bucks maybe, and this is 5 bucks. So it's not too bad off, but let me know. What do you guys think? I can swatch some of the similar colors. I will swatch all of them and really swatch the cocoa. We'll start out with that one. It's a more neutral, it's pretty soft. They don't have names. They're just 1, 2, and 3, you know, etc., etc. Nude Mood. Let me try to get all that off. Okay, so here's Nude Mood. One on the cocoa one is a shimmer, so it's not in the same order, but you can already see similarities. And this is in the cocoa. Should be better so we can compare. So that one came out really nice. That one not so much. Okay, so swatches. So super similar. I can see some of these cocoa tones and the shimmer for sure. And in the Nude Mood, you can see the shimmer and the shimmer. All right, so I just wanted to show you that. Okay, so here it is. We're gonna go in with, I already did my eyebrows with Milk. It's my favorite. We're gonna go in with Kokie Cosmetics. This is in Light. This is a concealer of theirs. And that is what we're gonna use to prime our lid. This is e.l.f. I would love to use like all the colors as usual. All right, so for the base, this is pretty even. It doesn't have a mirror, so it looks super pigmented, and let's just go in. same brush, and then we're gonna go in with, let's do this deeper. Wow. And then just place it in there. Move it around. So far, it's like really nice. First impression. Very pretty. Wow. Not bad. I'm having no problems with blending it out. Okay, so for the under eye, I don't know. Maybe we'll just go in with this one, just right underneath. It's pretty close to the other color. I will try this one for the middle. I'll probably use all of them then. Oh, wow. That has a lot of pigment. All right, let's go in with the other goldish one. That's really pretty too. Works. Really, really nice. And on the other side, we'll use the other two. So let's go in with the deeper one. And then the other shimmer. Wow, really, really nice. I mean, you can work with it to make it work. A bad thing. I'm gonna put some mascara.
This is also Wet n Wild.
The Mega Length. One of my favorites. Okay, we'll just stop right there because we're gonna take this off and then we're gonna go on to the next palette. So I decided I'm not gonna use the cherry. I just don't want to open it and waste it, so I'm just gonna throw both of those into the giveaway. So the rules for the giveaway: you must be 18 years or older, subscribe to the channel, like this video. The comment down below is going to be Amour, M-A-O-U-R, because that's how they spelled it, M-A-O-U-R. So use that in a clever sentence, and we will move on to the next palette. So you will have the chance to win. We're gonna have one for the cocoa and the cherry, and one with the passion and the cherry. And you both will get a cherry serum. And the first one who responds will get the cherry spray. So let's get into the passion one. Here it is. So look at that. This shimmer is so pretty. This looks like a loose glitter. And let's swatch. All right, all right. Ooh. Those are the swatches. Super, super pretty. We're gonna make 2 different eye looks just so we can use the colors. And let me go back with my concealer. Okay, what do we have? This is a good base. Reminds me of fruit. This is a lot deeper and more orangey than my normal see, there's a little kick up in the pan. Let's go, we're gonna do this pink color over here. Oh, it's purpley pink. All right, well, oh, we got this. Okay, on the other side, we're gonna do this purple. They have a lot of shimmer, so. Nice. Okay, underneath, I'm gonna go with this green shimmer over here. Actually, I'm gonna do that underneath. This gold. Wow. And, ooh, yeah. Oh, that's pretty. We can do. There was a lot of fallout on that one. The pigment is there for sure. Let's top that. Ooh. That's really pretty. So that green is pretty bold. All right, so I want to use this one for the inner corner. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. We'll do it on both sides. Really fun. Let's just bring that green down over here too. It's really fun. All right, let's finish this side. So we'll use this one because it has like kind of like a multi-chrome. Oh yeah. That is really, really pretty. Of course, you know, I'm digging this purple side. So far the quality is really good. It's buildable. I'm gonna go in with my finger with that one and just bring it all the way. That is my favorite color right there. Oof. So what do you guys think? This green is like throwing me off, but it's actually okay. So which side do you like better? I was gonna throw on some lashes, but whatever. So that was the Passion Session. I really like that one. The green is kind of like, just to throw it out there, I guess. And the Cocoa is really simple, fun, you know, everyday, casual type of look. And this, you could probably interchange them if you need to. So let's recap. We will have 2 winners. One gets the Passion with the cherry. The other gets the cherry with the cocoa. And they both will get the serum, the cherry serum. And one, whoever responds first, will get the mist. Now this is the cherry setting mist, and a lot of people actually do like Wet n Wild setting mist. So I like all of the products that I've tried with Wet n Wild. Of course, it's not like Pat McGrath type of quality or I don't know, any other quality, but it's buildable, and for $5 you get 9 pans. This is a win, and I don't feel bad about not using it as much as other palettes that cost more. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Do you want to see a video with the Cocoa and Nude Mood? See if it's really a dupe. I really like these colors. Of course, they're more bold, and I just wanted to use them. So let me know in the comments, guys. And if you're not subscribed already, please do so you can enter in this giveaway and other future giveaways. And as always, guys, stay safe.